Well, how about a 2-minute Tuesday? Lift the Jeep, getting on in the front. I have the Wild Boars. That's easy to put on. I've showed you in another video. But now, with the 4-door, we need to put some stuff in the back. So we have some Wild Boars that are going on in the back. Let's put them on. We'll show you how easy it is. I have a 10mm on a socket, and I'm going to remove the 2 bolts right here. Bracket, it's going to go on just like this. Okay. 2 mounts. This side here is going to go onto the mount just like this. Just like that. You're going to line them up where those 2 bolts were that you just took out. Use the Allen head wrench. Thread it in a little bit at each time. Wild Boar handles to help people to get into the back of your Jeep. Feels a little less than the front ones. The little front ones are really hard to move. These ones are like solid. They do move a little bit, but it'll help you lift it in and out, and this will help people to get in and out of your Jeep. Just using my 10mm to extend that Allen head. It serves its purpose. Old bolts I save. I put them in old Jeep part. Never know if you can use them somewhere else. 2-minute Tuesdays, both sides are done. Look at that. I can shake the whole Jeep. 2-minute upgrades, Wild Boar handles. Thanks for watching Florida Jeep Rides. Don't forget to subscribe. Links below.